So in the rest of this lecture, I'll talk about the period before civilizations appear. This time period is what historians refer to as prehistory, also called the Stone Age because they use tools made out of stone. Some people also define prehistory as the period before we have written records. But I like to think of it as a time period where nature was the main driving force for change, not humans. And once this power dynamic flips, where now humans are the main driver of change, is when civilization and effectively history starts. Prehistory is divided into 3 eras: Old, Middle, and New Stone Age. Scholars also use the terms Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic, but I'll stick to Old, Middle, and New Stone Age. One thing to keep in mind is that although I'll provide the general time period of each era, the span of the eras differ from region to region, respective to the region's growth. So think of these eras more like stages of prehistory, stages of the human evolution during prehistory. I'll start by talking about the Old and the Middle Stone Age, since generally these 2 eras, the narrative are quite hard to separate.